Kumari Sharma, the title of the poem, Oh, the nature, secure, only feministic thought. Feministic thought is good and pure. Take freedom to have independency. Take the freedom to lead the world with feministic philosophy. My philosophy turns to bring spiritual world. My philosophy is feminism. That is related to Tilaism and Puspaism. Oh, the nature, secure my followers of spiritual world in the world of Tilaism and Puspaism. The thought is there to remove the physical passion. Love the spiritual thought. Oh, nature, secure my philosophy of feministic faith.